morning. Hope everybody is doing well this morning. Today is February 26th in our devotional, and it's hard to believe we've been doing this for 2 months now. But today it says healthy ways to communicate. Kind of goes with the video that I posted yesterday. How we should communicate and how we should, when somebody offends us, the biblical way to handle these things. So it kind of goes with that. But healthy ways to communicate. James chapter 1, verse 19 and 20 says, "My dear brothers and sisters, take note of this. Everyone should be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry, because human anger does not produce the righteousness that God desires." Psalms chapter 19, verse 14, "Let the words of my mouth and the meditation of my heart be acceptable in your sight, O Lord, my rock and my redeemer." Psalms chapter 37, verse 30, "The mouth of the righteous speak wisdom, and his tongue talks of justice." Psalm 141, verse 3, "Set a guard, O Lord, over my mouth. Keep watch over the door of my lips." 2 Timothy chapter 2, verse 16, "Avoid worthless, foolish talk that only lead to more godless behavior." Proverbs chapter 16, verse 23, "The heart of the wise makes his speech judicious and adds persuasiveness to his lips." Colossians chapter 4, verse 6, "Let your conversation be always full of grace, seasoned with salt, so that you may know how to answer everyone." And at the bottom, it says, "Communication is the basis of all relationships and is much more than the sum of the words that roll over your lips." Communication consists of 7% words, 35% tone of voice, and 58% body language. The non-verbal part of communication is extremely important, and first impressions are made before any words are spoken. Your body language and the tone of your voice play an important role, as well as truly listening. So how is your communication? And that's our devotional for this morning, February 16th. I hope you all are enjoying these. I hope you all are watching my other videos. I know I tend to ramble sometimes, I guess is what you could say. But I love you guys. As always, give me a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Like, share, and subscribe. Share my videos. Nobody sees them unless you share them. My email is in the description box if you want to email me prayer requests or just anything. Email me your dreams. I'd love to read your dreams, and who knows, I might put it on a video. You never know. But I love you guys. I hope you have a very blessed day, and if I don't see you in the next video, I hope to see you in heaven. Bye guys.